and you know they can never be right. The fat boys are bad. Do you like the fat boys?